We are in downtown middle of nowhere. And look, we are at the Middle of Nowhere Hotel, aka the Baymont. And technically, I think this is in Fort Morgan. Yeah, I mean, that's the nearest town, so I think this is Fort Morgan. But anyway, here we are. Hi. Here we go. Oh, it's an oak Dover. Wait, what? Oh, it's the floor label. That's funny. Look, they used an old room number for the floor. I think this is a 70s Dover. 70s or early 80s. I think this is 70s. Yeah, this one looks older. This is definitely the 70s. All right, here we go. This is definitely an older property. Interesting how it has, like, can you see it has purple lights in the wall, but like blue purple lights. That's weird. Interesting. This is definitely an interesting property. So it is in the middle of nowhere. So it's just your basic Dover elevator. Come on, focus, Apple. Stopping on 2. Are you going down?
Yes.
Sorry, I'm just filming for a project. Y'all have a good one.
You too.
It's definitely a neat property. Not the kind of place you'd expect to find out here in the middle of nowhere. Should close up. And that's it.